So have you ever had an idea and you said to yourself, you know what, I'll look at it later, and then you forgot it? So in this video I want to show you why acting now is a secret to create things that actually matter. The thing is, as soon as you get an idea, I believe the universe puts that in your mind, right? And it's an energy that's being downloaded in your head. They're like fleeting sparks of energy, curiosity, sometimes even wisdom. And the thing is, your brain gives you hints whenever it senses an opportunity for maybe a good idea or inspiration. And these sparks, they're basically powerful because they come with emotional momentum, right? As soon as you get an idea, you feel the energy behind it. And if you wait, that energy fades. And then you might start questioning that idea or thinking to yourself, you know what, I'm going to put it off a bit longer. And the longer you wait, the less energy is behind that idea. The thing we often do is talk ourselves out of those ideas by saying we'll do it later or it's not perfect. And the more you overthink, like I said, the more you overthink, the more energy gets lost. And waiting often leads to overthinking and loss of excitement. And the more you wait, the more diluted that idea becomes. So why is it important to act on that idea right away? The thing is, your energy is still fresh, right? Your energy is still strong because that idea just downloaded in your head. On top of that, because you're so excited about that topic or that idea, executing on it makes it way easier, more natural. And the beautiful thing is that usually your first instincts are the best. They basically capture the purest version of your idea, of your vision. And not only that, the more often you do the thing you feel you want to do, it builds confidence, momentum, and it sets a chain reaction in motion. So before I started creating content, what I usually did was I had an idea, I'll park it somewhere in my head and say I'll look at it later. But now I have a whiteboard, you can't see it, but I have a whiteboard right here, and also I use different apps or maybe a notebook to write down my ideas so I can go back and visit them, look at them and create something from them. Also, the less you have to remember, the more space you have in your mind to come up with good ideas. And stop overthinking. Don't look at how good the idea is. Just execute. You know, the beautiful thing about being creative is that when you start something, of course it's good to have like a script, right? I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that. But oftentimes, executing on an idea gives you inspiration for more ideas. And even if it means break that big idea up into small ideas, do that. It's better than doing nothing. Because like I said before, otherwise that energy will disappear. So if you're walking around with a brilliant idea, start taking action. Write it down in your phone, on a piece of paper, and start executing.